Congratulations, you have been accepted to YouTube partnership program. This is one of the messages every YouTuber is expecting to get after they have applied for monetization. So for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Once you have met up with this criteria, the next thing is for you to apply to the YouTube monetization program. So after you have applied for the YouTube monetization program, you have to wait for some days for YouTube to do a check on your channel. Now after they have done a check on your channel and your channel is eligible for monetization, then they are going to send you this message: congrats, you have been accepted to YouTube partnership program. So after they have sent you this message, you will not start making money immediately from your videos until you turn on your monetization. So after they have sent you this message, the next thing for you to do is for you to turn on your monetization on your channel, for you to start making money immediately from your videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to turn on your monetization on your channel so that you can start making money from your videos. So I'm going to show you how to turn on your long-form videos, your short videos, your membership, your live stream, your super chat. So I'm going to show you how to turn on the complete monetization on your channel. So make sure you watch this video to the end to get the step-by-step on how to turn on your monetization on your YouTube channel. If you have met up with the YouTube monetization threshold, which is your 4,000 watch hour and your 100 subscriber, and you don't know how to apply for YouTube monetization, I've done a video on the step-by-step on how you can apply for monetization and how you can easily be accepted into the partnership program within few days. So if you want to learn how to do that, I will attach a video to the description of this video. So after this video, you can go back to the description of this video and go and watch that video. If you are seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can work from home and make passive income for yourself. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment on the comment section. So let's dive into the training. So to turn on your ad after you have been accepted into the YouTube partnership monetization program, so the first thing to do, open your YouTube channel. So log into your YouTube channel, then click on your profile picture, then click on YouTube Studio. You're going to bring this message: you are now a YouTube partner. So click on continue. It's going to bring you to this interface. You are going to click on get started. So you click on turn on. It's going to bring you to this interface. So if you have time, you can read through the monetization partner policy. So you click on I accept you on the watch page terms. Then click on accept and next. Click on next. If you want to do it manually, you can choose and I will choose. Then you can just set up your ad manually. But if you want to set everything so that everything will start working on all your existing videos that you have on your channel, so that ad will start running on all the videos that you have on your channel. So you click on monetize all. I've completed the process. We're also going to turn on our short feed so that ad can also show on the short feed. So to do that, you click on short feed ad, then you click on turn on. So you also accept the terms and conditions, and you accept. Then if you want to set a membership, click on membership. Then you set your membership. If you want to set up super chat, then click on super. Then click on get started, so that anytime you go live on your channel, people can send you super chats, super stickers, and super things. This will also increase your revenue on your YouTube channel. So you click on get started. So you also accept the terms and conditions. And click here to turn it on. everything has been turned on. So let's just set up the membership level. So for the membership level, your fans can pay for special packs, and you can earn extra. This will enable you to earn extra. So to do that, you click on explore next step. So what are different membership level that you can set up? So you can go through the different membership level that you can set up. Let's set up our membership offer. So you can create a single membership or offer multiple levels and prices. So to do that, you click on start. So the default setting is 3 level. You can also go for 4 level. So you can also start from scratch if you want to create it by yourself. But if you want to use the default, you can use the default setting. So you can also do some editing about each of the level. If you want to edit, click on edit. Then you can enter the name that you want to use. So you can also change the price for each of the level. So you click on done if you are through with that one. Then click on the second one. So once you are done with naming all the membership level, then click on next. So once you are done, you click on accept terms and the condition. Then click on submit for review. You click on the accept terms and condition again, then click on submit. You're going to wait for them to review the membership level that you have set. You can see edit if you want to edit. So you can customize your membership pack so that you can have a baggage that will make them to standard on their emoji. So to do that, you click on start. So you can upload your own, or you can use YouTube generic badges. So I'm just going to select one of YouTube. Then I'll click on next. So you enter your emojis name. So you click on save. So the next one is announce your membership. So this one will help for you to promote your membership. So to do that, you click on get started. You can announce your membership with a video. Mention membership in your videos or live stream. You can also promote it on your social media. So let's click on done. So the last stage is post a welcoming new member. Create some member-only posts giving a warm welcome to your biggest fans. So I click on get started. You have to create a post. So we're going to click on create a post. So after you have typed your post, then click on create click on post. So you can add image to it if you want to add image to it. I don't want to add an image now, so I'll just click on post. So we are currently about 92% complete. So they are still reviewing the membership level that I set. So the other set, they are all done. So let's go back to our dashboard to see if our monetization has started there already. So click on content. So you can see that all our videos are already turned on, and monetization for all the videos are already turned on, so you can see all of them here. So this is how to set up your monetization after you have been accepted into the partnership program. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And also make sure that you drop your comment in the comment section if you have anything that you want me to enlighten you on. Also help me to share this video so that others will see this video.